Nissan Philippines expects to make a big splash in the local passenger sedan segment with the all-new Almera that offers many first-in-class features. The all-new Almera now sports a 1.0L turbo engine, Nissan intelligent mobility features, plus new and bolder design elements. Atsushi Najima, president and managing director of Nissan in the Philippines, believes that the all-new Almera is a smart and stylish sedan that first-time owners, growing families, and young professionals can trust. He adds that the Almera reflects Nissan's transformation plan in the Philippines, offering a unique and exciting challenger in the competitive passenger car segment. The all-new Almera features Nissan's emotional design concept manifested by the V-Motion grille, boomerang-shaped LED headlamps and tail lamps, LED signature daytime running lamp, kick-up C-pillars, and a floating roof. It also now comes with a new 7-inch TFT meter cluster with integrated drive assist display, infotainment screen, black leather interiors with contrast stitching, as well as a new D-shaped steering wheel with hands-free meter and voice recognition controls. Aside from the segment-first turbo engine generating 100 PS and class-leading 152 Nm of torque and fuel efficiency rating of 23.3 km per hour, the new Almera is offered with a first-in-class vehicle warranty of 5 years or 150,000 km for the VE and VL variants. It is also available in 6 colors: Cayenne Red, Gunmetallic, Galaxy Black, Premium Corona Orange, Brilliant Silver, and Pearl White. Prices start at 728,000 pesos for the 1.0 EL Turbo Manual, up to 1,098,000 pesos for the top-of-the-line 1.0 VL and Sport CVT.